Hello everybody, this is Jonathan and today I'll be showing you guys how to use the workspace applet in Haiku OS. Okay, let's get started right now. So I'm going to select the feather up here for taskbar and I'll go into the desktop applets and I want to go ahead and select workspaces. And now here is the application. If you guys want to switch to another workspace, all you need to do is just select it by using the mouse, as you guys can see. It's very simple. We can do some additional stuff to this workspaces. So for example, if I load up to this menu, as you guys can see, we can change the workspace count. So we can increase the columns by doing this. We can also increase the rows. I think this is looking good, isn't it? So now we have 6 workspaces. We're going to close out this application. I'll go back to this menu, and now as you guys can see, we can switch on mouse wheel. If we disable that, that will no longer allow the mouse wheel to be used, but now you guys can use a mouse wheel, and now the switches to another workstation. You guys can select show window tab, which shows up this window, what this window is, which is called workspaces. You guys can show window border, which gets rid of the border if we deselect it, but I do want to have it still. And you guys can also select always on top if you guys want it to always be on top of other applications. If you want to disable it, we're just going to have to select it again. But if I go ahead and open up, for example, Quick Tour, as you guys can see, if we do have it enabled, it will always be on top of the other applications, even if it's not active. Then we click out of the Quick Tour. I will now go back here, and you guys can also select Authorize. You guys can select Live in the Desk Bar, and also you guys can see you'll be able to use it in the desk bar. So we can switch to a different desktop workstation by using the desk bar, so you guys can see. Let me go back, and you guys can also select quit to quit out of this application. So if I do that, it will just quit. But I want to go back to it because now I want to add it as an applet. So if I go ahead back to workspaces, and now if we grab this hand, and if you keep dragging it and just place it wherever you want to place it to on the screen, so I can paste it down over here. And I can click out of this application, and now as you guys can see, we're able to add it as a widget. We can start interacting with it. You guys can even change your workspaces count on the widget as well, and you guys can increase the columns, or you guys can increase the rows. But I'm just going to keep it as being 2 rows, and I'll keep it to be around. Yeah, that's looking good. Let me close out of it. And you guys can also remove this widget by selecting remove lip pigment if we no longer want it. If you guys don't want the workstation to no longer be on the desk bar, all you do is just open up to this menu and select remove lip pigment, and that should just remove it. Let me go back to desktop applets. Let me select workspaces. I'll just go ahead and drag it by this hand again, and I should be able to have it as a widget, and I can start switching to another workstation, as you guys can see. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.